very warm welcome to each one of you, and I hope you took out some time yesterday to observe your thoughts. Today, we are going to understand something very deep and very free. That is, pain is natural, but suffering is created. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever noticed that one small situation keeps disturbing you for hours or even days? Why does that happen? Well, today's insight, that is insight number 2, is one dart hurts enough, but you will worsen your pain if you dwell on it. Wow, isn't that so strong? Good afternoon, Shruti. Thank you for joining in. And let me start sharing the screen so that we can read this together. This insight is very powerful. And let's see, what does it say? Insight number 2, one dart hurts enough, but you will worsen your pain if you dwell on it. Much of our pain is felt in two different levels. The first level is similar to being hit by a dart, a sudden rush of pain. It could be the result of an accident, such as stubbing your toe, touching a hot plate, or crashing your bike. Or it could be the result of a failed expectation, failure, or rejection. This type of suffering is unavoidable. We all have to deal with it at some point in our lives, and there isn't much we can do about it. However, most of the time, we aggravate the situation by throwing a second dart at ourselves based on how we physically and mentally react to the first. All this adds to our suffering, except the fact that we have complete control over it. This type of pain is entirely optional. Instead, we must learn to accept the pain, do what needs to be done to heal our wounds, and move on with our lives. The second darts are usually more painful than the first because we keep throwing them throughout the aftermath. After often long after the first dart has vanished. For example, we may obsess for months over a failed relationship or worry through countless sleepless nights about test results. Why would we throw some more darts at ourselves when life already throws enough at us? Action that is given for today is endure your pain and your suffering. Recognize when something causes you pain. Recognize how it makes you feel and wait for the pain to go away. Do not aggravate the situation by becoming angry or upset with any other factors or people involved. Only we humans worry about the future, regret the past, and blame ourselves for the present. Wow. I think I spoke about this in yesterday's session a little as well, but I'm glad that, yes, this is the second insight. So, let me simplify this for you. उससे पहले ही बोला फर्स्ट डार्ट था द एक्चुअल सिचुएशन एंड द सेकंड डार्ट इज योर थॉट्स अबाउट इट. लाइफ हिट्स यू वंस, बट जो माइंड है ना, इट कीप्स हिटिंग यू अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन. लेट्स से someone said something hurtful to you. That moment hurts you. That was the first dart. But after that, you keep thinking about it. You play the same words again and again in your heart and your mind, and you keep analyzing it. That is the second dart. And sometimes the second dart hurts more than the first dart. Does that make sense? एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. You made a mistake. The first dart था mistake has happened. But then you start telling yourself, I'm not good enough. What will people think? I always mess up. Well, now the situation is over. It is done. but suffering has just started because your inner chatter is now, it will keep on repeating and repeating and repeating and make you feel the pain again and again and again. So what exactly is happening? The event is over, but your mind is keeping it alive for so long, जिसकी वजह से more and more pain is happening. Yeah, does that make sense? All right. So let me share a simple story as well, right? Imagine करो कि someone shoots an arrow at you. Pain होगा, obviously. And that pain is actually real as well, right? But then you pick another arrow and shoot at yourself. Will you do that in real life? No, right? But mentally, we do this every single day. Every single day. तो करना क्या है? Stop shooting the second arrow. That's it. हमारा माइंड ये सोचता है कि लेट मी थिंक अबाउट दिस मोर सो आई कैन सॉल्व इट, बट इंस्टेड सॉल्व तो वो करता नहीं है, इट कीप्स ऑन रिपीटिंग द पेन अगेन एंड अगेन. देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन द पेन इज आल्सो गॉन, बट वी कीप रिमाइंडिंग आवरसेल्व्स, याद है ना उसकी वजह से हमारे को ऐसा फील हुआ था, टू पुल बैक दैट पेन. द पेन इज गॉन एंड स्टिल वी आर पुलिंग इट बैक कि नहीं नहीं रुक रुक, मुझको याद रहना चाहिए तुझको, तूने मेरे को पेन किया था. Your mind is trying to help you, but it is actually hurting you. That is what you think. Experience karoge? Would you like to experience this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Chalo. Close your eyes and think of something that hurt you recently. Now notice, are thoughts coming? Is the emotion coming back?
Yes.
Yes? Now understand this. The event is not happening right now, but you are still feeling it.
Overthinking, sabotage. When we are alone like this, it happens.
When we are alone, they say the mind is like a monkey. है ना? When you don't have anything to do, the mind is going to do something crazy only. And the realization part is you're not suffering because of the event. You're suffering because you are reliving it again and again and again. अभी आप आधे घंटे बाद फिर से इसी सिचुएशन को याद करोगे and you will feel the pain again.
Even that reflects in the body. Skin will be, skin, heart, eyes and all.
Yes.
Sensitive organs become painful.
Absolutely. अगर आपको एक वुंड हो गया है, I will still say again, the first pain is natural. But then, if you keep on touching it, if you keep on scratching it, will it heal?
We are only suffering. That person would have forgotten and done,
Yes.
done and dusted and he would have forgotten everything and go to some other work or some other task.
Yes. So, आपकी जो thoughts है ना, they are scratching your wound again and again and again.
Right.
So, what can we do? Very simple. Step one is notice. This is the pain. Step two is accept. This is a part of life. And step three is
awaken.
Don't add
I
any story to it.
um,
That's it.
sometimes no, I'll not call the person whom I want to speak when I'm alone. I think like I'm conversing with them. Most of it will be like negative only. So how can we can call the friend and just talk what we want to talk.
So stop telling yourself stories कि उसकी वजह से मुझको ये
Very
हर्ट हुआ
soon.
था. That's it.
No, the person will not be there. I'll just in the head I'll converse with him.
So why what do you want to do that? Why not call the person himself and then talk?
Bad idea. Why stories? Most of the things we think will not at all happen.
Hmm. So
Hmm.
whenever the past pain comes, say to yourself, this is the first start. In fact, original abhi ki life में भी whenever something hurts you, now you know it. It is the first start,
That. Hmm.
right? You don't need the second.
Hmm.
You don't need the second. So tell me one thing: if you get a dart in your chest, okay, will you pull out this thing dart out, or will you hold it and twist it more? What will you do?
Hmm. Pull out.
Pull it out, exactly. Or what we do is, while thinking about the incidents, we keep
Yeah.
on twisting it here and there. Ki, और दर्द हुआ, और दर्द हुआ, और दर्द हुआ. And then you are like, oh my God, this is such a big event. Even if the event is really small, you make it so big.
Yeah.
Yeah. So ask yourself honestly, where in your life you are still holding on to that second dart? And what are you repeating again and again and again? That has already happened. Yeah. Life will hurt you sometimes. That is not in your control. But how long you suffer, that is in your control. We know the circle, right? There are certain things that are in our control, and there are certain things that are not in our control. So what is not in our control, we cannot control it. But how long we suffer with the pain, with the hurt, is in our control. Yes. Pain is inevitable, but suffering
It's
is an
optional.
option.
This you don't believe everything you think that in that book it is given.
Yes,
It
exactly.
is opposite of this book name. You become what you think. That book is don't believe everything you. Joseph. Hmm.
Now, this is the book that we are reading. You become what you think. Of course,
This one also what
don't
else?
believe everything you
Agency.
think would be on the certain lines, the same lines, because it is all
Yeah.
about thoughts. We think and
Okay.
we mess things up even more. Yeah. Today,
Okay.
I would love for you to just notice when
Weakness.
something hurts you, do you add a second dart? Keep that.
But I know this concept, but it has registered in my subconscious mind. It is coming suddenly. Then what to do? Then also weakness.
Yes,
Don't take more than 5 seconds to happen
exactly.
because it registered more without talking much.
Yes.
Sometimes it will take more than a day or a day also if we don't
But then
change.
it is absolutely always your choice. Always
Some
your
hobby,
choice.
some hobby we can get involved if we are not working. Then read books. Hmm.
Good afternoon, Mamta. Thank you for joining in. And we have just
Hmm.
completed our reading. This is a very
Okay.
small and sweet book.
N. Baveja has
That
Mamta.
is Mamta. That is Mamta.
Oh,
Hi.
And this is a very small book. The insights are only 1 page insights. तो
Like your
मतलब
book,
कि within 2-3 minutes we are complete reading, and after that अगर 3-4 मिनट और extra 10
ma'am,
मिनट कम है तो we are discussing.
sorry,
Yes, Shruti.
your book's hard copy, how much is that? Also 1 page reading, no?
Yes.
400.
I'll share the link in the group. You can buy the book from there. It is on Amazon. It is on the publisher's
Yeah.
page. Wherever you feel,
Yes, yeah.
you can buy it from there. ठीक है.
Summary, something sample I saw. It was nice. Very good.
Thank you so
You
much.
write in your own journal. You started writing in a journal and then publish.
Yes. No, I did it on
Awesome.
my laptop only. Chalo, that's it for today. The reflection point for today is every time anything
time.
hurts you, just ask yourself, do you add a second dart to it? Because I don't want from now onwards that we have learned this concept that we
Observing
add.
means you have to observe like this, sir. Like this, you have to turn my head like an observer.
No, you have to observe whenever something is hurting you, you know that it is hurting you, right? But how are you going to dwell on it and make more stories about it? When you are making stories, so something happened to you, that was the first dart. It is done. But when you keep on dwelling on it in your mind, that is the second dart that you're putting in yourself. So don't do that. That is why they say, what you think, you become. So when you keep on thinking on the pain, you become, how they say, hurt people hurt people. When you are hurt, you are also going to hurt others. So don't dwell on the pain. Right?
You
What
can
was the reflection question you were saying?
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
You were telling us the reflection question, na? Do you
Yes.
add second? What was it?
नहीं समझ में आया.
You were giving us some reflection question, na? That since you have read and understood, so you need to reflect on this particular point. So the voice actually got cracked. So I want to hear that question again.
नहीं समझ आया. I don't know. Your voice is not clear. Let me put my earphones on. रुको.
Okay. I'm saying you were giving us some reflection time now for that particular question. I want to know that question again.
अच्छा. When something hurts you, do you add a second dart to it? So the today's insight was one dart hurts enough, but you will worsen your pain if you dwell on it. That is the second dart. First dart is when the situation happens. कुछ चीज हो गई, वो फर्स्ट डार्ट आपके ऊपर अटैक हो चुका है. When you keep making stories about it, you keep thinking on it, you keep dwelling on it, that is the second dart that you are putting on to yourself only. Now this is your choice. It is so there is a circle. मैंने अभी explain किया था कि एक circle है that this is something that is hurting you. That is not in your control. But the other circle is something that you can control. So this second dart is in your control कि आप उसको अपने आप को ही मार रहे हो कि आप अपने आप को नहीं मार रहे हो. So that is in your control. When you dwell on the thoughts of hurt and keep hurting yourself again and again and again by thinking about the hurt, you are putting another dart in your own chest.
Yes.
Right? अब ममता को मैंने एक बार फिर से पूरा चैप्टर का समरी समझा दिया है. All right, so that's it for today. If you are watching this on YouTube and you wish to be a part of this journey with us, comment book below, or else if you're watching it and you have not joined the session, don't miss the sessions because these are very short sessions, nugget types, and it is giving massive value. Do you believe in it? Do you believe it is giving you value, Shruti and Mamta? Yes?
Yes.
Wonderful. तो ठीक है, कल भी join करना. Tomorrow is day 4, I think. 3, 4. Yes, day 4, but we are doing it on all the days. Inside 3, but day 4 because we had an orientation day as well. But this entire week we are doing the sessions free because it's a छोटे day, ना? Why not? ठीक है. God bless you. Take good care of yourself. Keep the reflections on. कल का हमारा था, are you dwelling on the past results
We
in
can
regret?
also do that box breathing method, ma'am, when we start dwelling. 4 seconds breathe in, hold, and 7 seconds release. That way.
Yes.
Then that
Whatever,
mindfulness.
whatever
Five,
it takes.
mm,
Whatever
five
it.
things you see now, four
Hmm.
things you taste, something like that.
Hmm.
What you
चलो,
hear.
I'll share
and-
that box method and all of that in the group. ठीक है? So it is a bonus for the people who are sitting in the group. ठीक है? चलो. God bless you. Take good care of yourself. Lots and lots of love. Mwah. I'll be sharing the recordings in the group. Okay? Bye-bye. Lots of love.